Aditya Birla Sun Life Bal Bhavishya Yojana, a scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Every child dreams of touching the sky, and as a parent, you want nothing more than help them realize their dreams. Today, increasing internet penetration in semi-urban and rural areas, ease of pursuing open courses and distance learning enrollments, technological advancements and evolution of various new industries are helping children opt for unconventional careers. And the path to seek these career choices requires a strong financial foundation. Let's take a look at how the cost of education in India has skyrocketed in the last 10 years. Studies show that only 20% of parents in our country have specific investment earmarked for child education. That means 80% parents have not planned for child education. As a result, increasing aspirations and education costs are funded by borrowings and education loans. Consequently, parents are compelled to make some serious life choices. Moreover, education expense is a combination of multiple elements. It is found that on an average, students spend around 8 lakh during their degree program on these expenses. In addition to this, parents have to consider inflation while budgeting education expense. And if you plan to send your child abroad, exchange rate fluctuation also needs to be considered. Ignoring these costs can make a big hole in one's pocket. So what do you do to ensure that these needs are matched? Either take an education loan or plan in advance. But why pay regular interest on loan when you can build an adequate corpus by investing small amounts over a long period of time? Introducing a smart way to build financial foundation for your child's dreams. Aditya Birla Sun Life Bal Bhavishya Yojana, an investment solution that can make your child's dream a reality. Here are some additional facilities offered by Aditya Birla Sun Life Bal Bhavishya Yojana. Multiple plan investment facility, smart withdrawal plan, systematic investment plan and systematic transfer plan. So, here's an investment option that aims to nurture your child's future and let the best opportunity find their way. For more information, call 1800-270-7000 or visit adityabirlasunlifemf.com or contact your financial advisor or distributor. A scheme of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.